Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
You'll begin by checking a few essentials so the restore goes smoothly. First, make sure your iPhone 11 is updated to the latest iOS. This resolves many Face ID bugs. Once done, back up your phone via iCloud or Finder so you can recover data if needed. Next, go to Settings and attempt to toggle Face ID off and on. This quick reset often triggers a fresh setup. If settings won't respond, continue to the next step for a deeper troubleshooting route. Now you'll reset and reconfigure Face ID for a clean start. Go to Settings, Face ID and Passcode, tap Reset Face ID, and then restart the iPhone to clear cached errors. After reboot, return to Face ID setup. Hold the device at eye level and scan your face slowly in a smooth circular motion so the true depth camera captures full angles. Make sure lighting is even, avoid hats or sunglasses. If you regularly change appearance, add an alternate appearance now to improve recognition. Finish by validating Face ID across common tasks. Unlock the phone, authorize Apple Pay, and sign into apps. If everything works, you're done. If Face ID still fails, make sure iOS is up to date, then try a full restore from your backup. This fixes software corruption. If problems continue, contact Apple support or visit an Apple store since hardware faults in the True Depth module require professional repair. One last troubleshooting tip.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.